Okay, so we're going to do another example of a quadratic function in standard form. Our quadratic function is x plus 2 squared minus 3. And so we remember the formula a times x minus h squared plus k. And so we see that, and then our vertex is at hk. So h in the formula is negative, and in the vertex is positive, so h switches its sign, and k keeps its sign. So here, our vertex is going to be 2, 3, but 2 changes sign, so it becomes negative 2, negative 3. So k keeps its sign, and h switches its sign. So there's the vertex. This parabola opens up, so our range is something to infinity, and that something is the k value. So minus 3 to infinity. Our domain is all real numbers. Our axis of symmetry is a vertical line through the h part of the vertex. Okay, now we're going to find the x and y intercepts. So our y-intercept, we always let x equal 0. So we get 0 plus 2 squared minus 3. 2 squared is 4, minus 3 is 1. So our y-intercept is 1. And now for our x-intercept, for our x-intercept, always let f of x equal 0, and then solve for x. So here we have x plus 2 squared minus 3 equals 0. So I begin, I'm going to use the square root method. Okay, so I start off by adding the 3 to both sides. So I get x plus 2 squared equals 3. Now I take the square root of both sides. And remember that whenever I take the square root, I get plus or minus on one of the sides. And now the square and the square root cancel. And I get x plus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 3. Next, I subtract 2 from both sides. So x equals minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 3. So I get 2 x-intercepts, minus 2 plus the square root of 3, and minus 2 minus the square root of 3. Okay, now I should always get good at, I need to be good at my calculator so that I can come and check all my answers and make sure everything works. So I'm going to type in my function x plus 2 squared minus 3 and I'm going to use trace. X, when x is 0, y is 1. That verifies the y-intercept that I found. If I type in minus 2 plus the square root of 3, I get y equals 0. So that is an x-intercept. And then I type in minus 2 minus the square root of 3. And I get y equals 0. So that's also a y-intercept. And if I type in, so my vertex is minus 2 minus 3. I type in minus 2 for x. I get y equals minus 3, and I'm at the vertex. So everything seems to work out there. Okay, so there's that example.